Hello, today we'll show you how to remove and replace the old damaged AirPod cushions on these Veho ZB5 on-air headphones. The AirPods are fixed to the headphones with a plastic base. To remove the AirPods you need to rotate them counterclockwise. Since I haven't been able to find the exact same AirPods, I will be using different look AirPods for this repair. I will be using 16mm diameter AirPods. You will find the link to them in the video description. To replace AirPods, take off the plastic base rings from old pods. Then use the knife to carefully remove the old AirPod remains. Now place the plastic rings in the new AirPods. Since the plastic rings have 3 hooks, they can make it a bit tricky to attach the AirPods to the headphones. So cut small gap around each hook so the hooks can fit freely, and the AirPod edge won't press against them. Also cut the AirPod edge, then check if the AirPods are securely fixed to the headphone housing. You can lock the AirPod in place by rotating it clockwise. To ensure the AirPod stays strong on the plastic base, use super glue to attach the AirPods to the plastic rings. Do the same for the second AirPod. To ensure a better glue fixing, use clamps to hold the AirPod in place while the glue dries. Once the glue has dried, put back both AirPods onto the headphone housing by turning them clockwise. And here's the result, like new, and ready to use for years. I hope you can also restore your headphones and get them working again.